So this project at the new house, we wanted to do a really nice headboard, and so this is just using some masking tape to lay out some of the measurements and try to get a basic shape of the design. I'm using a French cleat system for mounting the boards. You can see just leveling it there, and a 1/4 inch material for the backing, for the batting and material that I'm going to be using and to mount it as well. And so this was the layout, and it looks kind of cool just in wood. And then I went through the process of cutting out the material, and then using the batting, laying out the batting as well. And I'm sure there's people who can do this probably better than me, so I didn't go into too much detail other than showing you the basic steps of laying out the panels and applying the batting. And I just used a electric staple gun to adhere it to the 1/4 inch wood, and then you can see the French cleats on the back for how I hung it. And then just go through the process of stapling around the edges. And there's probably better people who can do a really nice job as far as dealing with the corners. I'm fine with how it turned out, but I don't not claim to be an expert on this stuff. Here I'm starting to hang the panels that are finished, so you can just see how that progresses. Okay, so you've seen all this going up. Probably might be wondering what this space is right here. This is for being able to put in like some sort of wood finish, and on either side of the bed I want to do some cabinets on either side that would be like a 3-door dresser and just a shelf as well next to the bed, so sort of like nightstands, but they're going to be built in onto the walls. And so the same wood that I do in the cabinets will be a strip in here, and I might do LED lighting underneath the soft part, the headboard part, just for some mood lighting or whatever. I think it'd be kind of cool. And then maybe some trim around it as well, but we'll see. I'm kind of doing this as I go. So I just stained, actually I did a sojuban where you burn the wood, just to check out the dark color, make sure that's kind of the direction I wanted to go. We ended up using a Pergo flooring, and we bought a few different types of flooring just to see the difference, and I tacked it up with a nail gun and double-sided sticky tape, and so far it looks great.
You're awesome.
Liked it. Woo!